How to open Cherry MX OG style or 4-leg type switches. First off, you're going to need to find a switch opener that has these 4 legs on them, like this one. They come in a variety, or you can also get a double one, which has the opener for standard 4-leg pins, but also has the opener for wing latch. And if you have a 3D printer, you can even 3D print your own. Line up the 4 legs of your switch with the 4 pins of the switch opener, push straight down, and use your fingernail to hold the bottom while pulling on the top. Once it is loose, grab onto the stem and pull straight up so that your spring remains in place. Your switch is now open.